My job's the tug master, so there's 3 of us on board. We have the master, an engineer and a seaman. And my job is to drive the tug, take it to the ships, maneuver the ships, and virtually do what the pilot instructs us to do, to help maneuver the ships in and out of the wharf. I got into it because I've been at sea since I was 16. And I worked with the British merchant shipping for a long time. Got to the Australian coast and worked on the Australian coast. And finally won a job on the tugs 30 years ago. So I've been in this port for 30 years. My qualification is a Master 1, which is an unlimited ticket. So I can be the master of any vessel of any size going anywhere virtually. There's no limits on my ticket. 24 hours a day we work. We'll move the ships at any time that we can. Yeah, so we may handle 2-3 ships a day. There might be days where we don't have any ships at all. So it's a cyclical sort of thing. It can be feast or famine, lots of ships or nothing. We can have a lot of maintenance to do with the tug if we're not moving ships around. There's engine room maintenance, rope maintenance, stores, all sorts of things on during the day. This tug can do everything from normal shipping right down to the smallest tankers to the largest merchant ships that are coming in and out of port. It's not the most modern tug around, but they're still very functional vessels. And it also has a salvage capacity. If ships get into trouble, then we have salvage equipment on board. So if a ship's sinking, if a ship's running aground on a reef, then we can go and assist with that too. So these are very powerful boats. And very useful in port because they're very maneuverable, and they have that capacity to go outside and rescue ships if it's required.